These volunteers are making a difference. One bottle, one can, and everything else they can pick up. It's a true conservation story. Hello everyone, I'm Don Jacobs, and I'm here in Luzerne County along Route 29 and Harvey's Creek. We're gonna go wild with Discover NEPA with the cleanup crew. The Nanticoke Conservation Club has adopted this part of the highway, this part of the stream. They are the litter crew ahead, and for miles, they're cleaning up the stream. To tell us more about it is the president of the Nanticoke Conservation Club, Gary Gronkowski.
So we've been around since 1951. It's a hunting and fishing club, but we're much more than that. As you can see today, we're gonna be cleaning up Harvey's Creek. It's been part of our adopted stream site since 1975 and part of the adopted highway program for the last 35 years. We have 122 members and 30 of those are honorary, which means 25 years or more. We have 5.5 miles of roadside to clean. If you get to an area, leave your bag where you finish. That leaves a marker so we know where to continue at. Any of the pull-off areas, if you could do a deep clean in there, because this got hit really heavy this year with partying. Just in this area right here, I picked up a half a bag in like 20 yards. This is one of the most pristine creeks in the area, Harvey's Creek. I've grown up swimming in this creek and fishing in it. And a lot of the members that you see behind me have done the same thing. This is part of our childhood memories, part of our heritage, and we want to keep it pristine. I gotta say, the good news is illegal dumping has kind of stopped on this area. There's been a lot of good police presence for us. Pressure from local agencies have kept that not as prominent. With this many people, we should be done by 10:30, and then we're gonna have lunch provided for all those who help us out.
It's Saturday morning. You look like a family. Who are you guys, and why did you choose to come out and pick up garbage today?
Well, I'm Jarrod Antolik. I'm brother of Joel Antolik, and these are my two nephews, Jacob and Logan.
All right.
And just to help the whole environment out and everything, I mean, volunteer our time. I mean, I'm an outdoorsman too. I want to see this all nice and clean. I don't want to see any kind of trash, litter, anything for future generations too.
Anybody need a pair of socks?
Yeah, please. Keep us warmer.
Yeah.
This stuff you find.
Kids.
Right.
And I
right.
love that.
And yeah, get them involved early and young. And they guys love doing it, and we love doing it. And just to help out, that's the main goal, you know?
You guys are rocking it.
Do our best.
Thanks for helping the environment.
Yeah,
Good job, guys. Good job. So cleanup crews like the one here are all over Route 29 and Harvey's Creek collecting bag after bag of garbage. What a great conservation effort here on this Saturday morning. Mike Shay is picking up trash with his scout troop.
We're with Boy Scout Troop 418 out of Nanticoke, Pennsylvania. We serve the greater Nanticoke area for Cub Scouts and Boy Scouts. And I mean, conservation is a big part of what we do.
Yeah.
It's, you know, whether we're hiking through the woods or we're fishing, or days like today when we're on the roadsides and near the creeks, cleaning up, making sure the environment's great.
A busy Route 29.
Very busy.
And a Saturday morning.
Yeah.
Raise of hands, how many would be like to be still in bed? We have an honest one right there. I'm on behalf of this whole general area, thank you for doing this. You know, volunteerism is important. Boy Scouts, I love the Boy Scout groups, organizations, and the Nanticoke Conservation Club. What a great group of guys, right?
They are, absolutely. And they welcome us out here, and we're happy to help out and get the area cleaned up. Because, I mean, Harvey's Creek it's so important, and there's so many people that use it.
When the cleanup was done, it was time for lunch, and what a feast it was. I asked Gary about some of the other events the club sponsors throughout the year.
So we have stuff going throughout the year. In February, we have our ice fishing tournament at Francis Slocum State Park. In March, we do a streamside cleanup here again. And then in May, not too far from our location here, we have a kids trout fishing day. And money that we raise for that buys the trout. We put them in for the kids, and then it's children only.
Are you looking for members?
Well, yeah, we always accept members. Committed members who want to help out and then enjoy the camaraderie of the fellowship with the club. Great group of people. I am the luckiest guy in the world to be part of this club and the friendships I've developed over the years.
So in less than 2.5 hours, this is what they ended up with. Look at the pile of trash and tires, mattresses. These volunteers really did a great job cleaning up 29 and a little into Harvey's Creek. Now, for this story and all of the Go Wild with Discover NEPA episodes, you can go to discovernepa.com or you could subscribe on YouTube.